guys, it's 6:53. It's too dark to shoot now. I'm gonna head out and didn't see a deer. Seen some squirrels and that's about it. I thought I heard a deer walking here below me, but never did see it. I'll probably be hunting tomorrow evening, so I'll catch y'all then. Later. Hey guys, it's 4:49 in the evening. It's November 21st. Just now got in the stand after I got home from school. Checked my camera last night. There was a few bucks on there. They made some scrapes around here. There's one. Right there's another. There's another one back there y'all can't see. Behind some limbs. Rifle season's next Monday. It's coming Monday. I'd just like to get one put on the ground with a bow. They've eaten all kinds of that corn last night. I got a bunch of squirrels barking around me. I don't think they're barking at me. It might be deer. I'd just like to get one put on the ground this evening. And I'll holler at y'all later if I see anything. I'd just like to show y'all the bow I'm hunting with. It's a Matthews Journalin'. Hunting with Muzzy Hybrids, Hunter Grain. Every deer I've shot with these broadheads, they've complete pass through. Dad, he hunts with the Muzzy 100s, 3-blade, fixed blades. And he's hunted with them for years. And every deer he shot with them's been a complete pass through. There's the only buck I've seen through here this year was a 4-point. And he walks right around through here. About 45 yards, couldn't get a shot at him. It's real dim in the morning. And it's the only buck I've seen through there, man. There's a few I've had on camera. They're just all nocturnal. Can't see a deer in the daytime around here. I mean, there are all kinds of buck sign. My buddy Logan, he come up here last Saturday morning. And that same 4-point come in. He shot at him 4 times and missed. And said that deer never hit him. Said that deer just milled around the side of the hill here, and I mean, acted like it wasn't even scared. Them deer normally like to come from right through this way, and most of the deer I've seen come straight down this point right here. And like I said, I just like to get one put on the ground. Last year I killed a 5-point up here first day with my bow, and killed a bear up here out of that corn pile there a while back, walking in. And about the only thing I've seen up here lately has been squirrels. I ain't never seen a bait of squirrels. Like I can hear one right down the hill from me right now. All kinds of them barking. And Dad, he's hunting up through the mountain there from me. Where a bunch of trees horned and stuff. He's hunted a few years ago and seen some deer out of it. But anyways, Dad's hunting one up a hill there from me, and one up a mountain there from me. And tomorrow's video, I got a new tree stand in last night, a Summit second climb. And tomorrow's video will probably be me trying to find a place to hang it. Go up there and cut timber and try to just find me a good place on one of them old roads. So that should be a good video. I'll let y'all know if I see anything before dark. But I'll see y'all at dark and play the outro. But I'll see y'all then. Hey guys, it's about 5:50. Didn't say nothing. I'm gonna head out of here. And thank y'all for watching. Later.